welcome back to the channel. I know it's been way too long, and trust me, it's not you, it's me. So anyway, we got we'll call it Project 680, now Project Raptor 686. And so customer states leaking oil everywhere. The oil journal is, we'll start there. So check that out. Yes. And I may be calling it the wrong thing. Forgive me. So, leaking oil. So that's the oil journal. And it's got another piece that goes over here. And yes, that is JB Weld that's holding it together. So, if that gives you a little indication about what we're about to get into, let's jump on in. So let me know what y'all think. Let me know, do I need to go more in depth with this stuff? Do I need to not go in, I've definitely got parts sitting everywhere, so we can turn a few wrenches, and we're not skipping out on the mud. I've got some big things coming up, and I really hope y'all like it. Thank you. So I go to take this bolt out and put the drill on it, and it spins, nothing. Oh wait, what the? That ain't even touching anything. I mean, look at that. Look, it's all the way in. I mean, why even put that in there? Come on. Okay, we can excuse the silicone, but we got like, oh, that better not be. Okay, I think that's just silicone. I was like, that better not be freaking JB Weld. I mean, look, they like coated this whole... Okay, we can look past that, but... So we got a broke rear motor mount case. Don't know what you want to call it. Now, we got hex bolt, 2 Allens. That could be normal, don't know. Oh yeah, I got it. So here, let's get our little box of goodies out here. Gasket, silicone, all that. I mean, just a little bit of a mess, I mean, now, I'm not gonna dog them too much on the silicone, because I like to put silicone. Okay, but that was actually held on correctly. So, peg, the shifting, where your shifting fork pivot point that goes through, it was held on like that, with a hose clamp. It was like that. And your clamp was in here, I mean. So that's new. That's new for me. I did a little bit of that, but not much of that. You can see where I hit the punch to get them to undo. One of these little 8mm bolts here was a Phillips head. Don't know where it went. It gone. So there's that rear engine mount piece that's broke. Hopefully it's focusing for you. I mean, you can clearly see it's busted. The front is just oily. So, but there's like oil everywhere. Oh yeah, I'll show you all that. I found it. It's right there. See? So this is on the side of the case. I don't know if it's holding the starter cover or the. I think it was like in one of these up here. So. And you can see this one didn't even have a bolt in it because it's just all full of crap. Yeah, so that was, so we'll have to get some more bolts. Okay, so the oil journal, I believe that's what it's called. So it was broke, and dude tried to JB weld it back together. So, which I need to go ahead and pull out my, because I'll forget. Well, hopefully I won't forget. Why is there a bolt in there? Where did that bolt come from? Almost looks like a head bolt. I don't know, but so I got the oil journal and the oil whatever bolts with the crush washers. So, yeah. So, what the hell? My gosh. Look at that. Oh, gross. So, it didn't come in. I mean, it was leaking oil everywhere. So I guess they just tried to seal it up with a bunch of silicone and... Yep, I've got oil all over my screen now. And we're back. Okay, that one's whatever. That one's fine. So, when your bolt's too long, what do you do? Oh, you stick a nut on there backwards. And then, what do you do on the other one? Oh, you put a little plastic grommet. Yeah, it's a plastic metal grommet. Woohoo! Okay, so, not the main point. So, in here, as you can see, got a lot of buildup and rust. I mean, look at the inside of that. Look at that. Look at it. Not what you want to see. That was like a 30-second break, so maybe I'll talk to you on another 30 seconds. I don't know. So we got the 8mm on the right. And, well, I pulled it off with a 10, but... So, yeah, it's all... And the 10 mil was right there. So, yeah, okay. And... You see your crush washer or whatever gasket over here. Well, look at that. Oh man, we ain't even close to the right size. See, look at that. Oops, okay. There, now you can look at that. That is not gonna work. I mean, he's got the wrong side on the other side too, it looks like. Yep. Naughty. We can do the hula hoop. Oh, and these are much thicker than these other ones. These other ones are like, here, I'll just. A little bit of a difference, eh? That's definitely not an automotive screw. I mean, huh. So it come out of here. But the best thing, there's nothing holding this on. Like, I did not remove your C-clip right here, or whatever, retainer clip, whatever's supposed to be there. All I did was take that this screw out, which it ain't even funny at this point. So pulled the water pump off, gasket's broke, and there's silicone on it, which tells me that it was broke before it was put back together. So yeah, at least the water pump feels good. Got the case off. Definitely not what you want to see. I mean, there's so much silicone. No wonder this thing was leaking oil everywhere. There's so much crap. And your these are all like chewed up. That's not cool. I'll measure these. I can't even make this up. That's a leaf. I'm gonna take a picture of that. Oh, I mean, dude, that is awesome. Come on, focus. Focus. So that is awesome. See, for y'all doubters, it's a leaf. We're definitely not putting that back in. Oh, more silicone. I don't even know how you get. Oh, I didn't see that back there. That's silicone on the inside of the engine, man. I guess it holds things together a bit, little better, eh? So they're all 40.9 to 41.2. So I pulled the clutch pack out, and that is beat the hell up, man. There's another, I don't know, So I don't know what caused that. Don't have a little bit. It's a little not real. I don't know. That's kind of. He might need a clutch hub because look at that. That's. Here, get y'all closer. Is that this? No, it's just that's just silicone. A little bit beat up. What do y'all think? But I'm really concerned that, and oh, the springs are, the minimum is 40.7, so the shortest one is 40.9, but I think, like, the springs are like 17 bucks, so I think we're gonna get some new ones. Anyways, and got a little bit of wiggle. I know it's hard to see. So